Okay, in the last lecture we had seen about the disease called malaria. Okay, the chapter is about the treatment for mosquitoes or treat for mosquitoes. Okay, so malaria is a disease that is caused by the bite of an infected mosquito. Okay, we in the last lecture we had seen about the dialogues between the classmates. Okay, there were the dialogues, okay, between all the classmates. They were discussing about the disease called malaria. Okay, so next, page number 69. Okay, now look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? Okay, now from the report, okay, now which report help us to know that the person is detected with the malarial infection? Okay, a blood test helps to, now what is blood test? Okay, what do you mean by blood test? A blood test helps to identify whether the patient is suffering from malaria or not. Okay, the test is done and it is from the blood sample it is detected whether the person is infected with the disease malaria or not. Okay, blood test yani ki you can see a sample is taken. Okay, you can see in the picture a sample is taken of the blood on a slide. Okay, and that sample has been given for testing, okay, for the detection of malaria. So mosquitoes lay eggs on stagnant water. They do not let water collect in and around your house. Okay, now what are the diseases caused by the mosquito bites? Okay, what are the diseases caused by the mosquito bites? First is dengue, chikungunya and malaria. These are the three infected diseases caused by the mosquito bite. Okay, so we should prevent ourselves, okay, from being infected from malaria. We should keep our surroundings clean. We have to wear full clothes, okay, full sleeves clothes, okay, using mosquito repellents like Odomos, using a mosquito net, etc. So these are the preventive measures, okay, that we can prevent the infection of malaria. Okay, next, now medicine for malaria. Okay, from early times the dried and the powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patient. Now tablets are made from this. Okay, in the early time, okay, from the early times the bark of the dried bark of the cinchona tree, okay, it is a tree, cinchona tree, was used to make a medicine for malaria. Okay, the people used to boil that bark, okay, in water. Okay, people used to boil that bark powder and strain the water, and they used to drink the patient used to drink that, and they were free from the malarial infection. Okay, now tablets, nowadays tablets are made, okay, from this tree, bark of the tree. Okay, you can see the clinical pathological report of the health, okay, central government. Okay, you can see the name is given, the age of the person. Okay, the name is Rajat, the person, his age is 11. Okay, he is male and is detected, okay, fever with chills and rigor. Okay, the malarial parasite found in blood sample. Okay, so this patient is detected with malarial infection. So this kind of report are there. Okay, these kinds of report are there and they are detected from the blood sample. Okay, now what is anemia? Okay, now what is anemia? Okay, the deficiency of iron in the blood, it causes anemia. Okay, anemia किसे कहा जाता है? Okay, if we have deficiency of blood, यानी कि blood की कमतरता होती है हमारे में. Okay, if we have lack of blood, okay, if we don't have blood, the deficiency of iron in the blood causes anemia. Okay, so we'll see now what's that. Okay, now here is also a dialogue, okay, between the classmates. Okay, now first person, her name is Aarti. What is she saying? You know, I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. So what is she saying? She said that I had got a blood test. Okay, they had taken my blood. Okay, it was, the syringe was full of blood. Okay, the blood test showed that I had anemia. The deficiency of iron in the blood, it causes anemia. Okay, Rajat. Now what is Rajat saying? Rajat is saying, what is that? What do you mean by anemia? Okay, so what Aarti is saying, what is she saying? Okay, the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. So if there is less hemoglobin, okay, if there is less blood in our body, okay, it causes anemia. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. So she is saying that doctor had given me some medicines, okay, the doctor had gave some medicines to give me the strength, okay, to get power. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetable because these have iron. Okay, so what is she saying? She said that doctor had said me that I should eat jaggery yani ki gul, okay, amla, okay, and more green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, so you have to eat all the green leafy vegetables that are available in the market. Okay, so green leafy vegetables have vitamin A. Okay, they are for vitamin A is good for our eyes. Okay, we get iron, okay, from that. We get iron from green leafy vegetables. Okay, so we should eat green leafy vegetables because they contain iron also and it increase blood also. Here because these have iron. Okay, so what is Nancy saying? Nancy is saying, how can there be iron in our blood? Okay, so what is she saying? How can there be iron in our blood? Okay, just Kiran, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. So what is Rajat saying? He started laughing, okay, and said, so then you ate iron or what? So there is a joke over here. Okay, so there is a joke between the classmates. Okay, so that you ate iron or what? So Rajat said, so did you eat iron or what? Aarti, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was, and I ate a lot of vegetables, and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. So she had followed by the doctor. Okay, what the doctor had told her, okay, what the treatment was to be done for the anemia. She had listened to the doctor and followed up, and she was okay with her health. Okay, she ate the medicines. Okay, next she ate a lot of vegetables. Okay, it vegetables, green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin A and they are good for our eyes. Okay, they contain a lot of iron. Okay, it increase our blood level also. So she said that I ate a lot of green vegetables, and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin had went up, yani ki her hemoglobin was increased. Okay, so anemia common in Delhi school. So next topic, okay, turn your page. So next is anemia common in Delhi school. 17 November 2017, thousands of children studying in the Municipal Corporation School in Delhi suffer from anemia. So here is the date given here, okay, and the year. The students from Delhi, several students were there, okay, and they were in the Municipal Corporation School. Okay, they had suffered from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. So due to the physical and mental health was damaged. Okay, due to anemia, children do not grow well. Okay, and their energy levels are low. This also affects in their ability to study properly. So now health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemia children are also being given iron tablets. So due to anemia, children do not grow well. Okay, their body is not developed. Okay, because of the anemia, and their energy level, okay, it becomes low. Okay, it also affects the ability to study. Okay, students cannot study properly. Okay, if their body is not working properly, so student can't study well also. It affects the mental and physical health of the students. So these are the causes behind the anemia. Okay, so nowadays there have the checkups are done. Okay, the checkups have been held by the doctors and the health cards are given to the students. Okay, and the anemia children are also being giving iron and folic acid tablets. So in some of the schools, okay, the students are being given iron tablets and folic acid tablets for the increase in the blood level. Okay, we'll see next in the next topic. Okay.